Thank you.
Whenever you're ready, please begin.
Okay. Good afternoon. I'm Ilaria, CTO and founder at CellDynamics. CellDynamics is born in 2030 and is based on a full line of bench laboratory instruments that allow to understand how cells work. Let me explain better. In our body, there are two different types of cells. Adherent cells, like your skin cell, and cells in suspension, like your blood cells. Adherent cells are stationary, so you can easily monitor them. But cells in suspension are constantly moving, rolling, dancing. So you need high technologies in order to monitor them under an optical system without acting directly to the cell. Our solution is a very gentle technology that we are patenting right now. And our devices are like homes for cells with a minimal optical system linked to a computer. You can monitor 24/7 your blood cells or any other cells in suspension, like embryos, and you can make a simple video, a simple but highly informative video with the cells. So, why this is important? Our devices are important because they can help the development of new drugs. There are many diseases with no cure. And our devices are also important in the in vitro fertilization, because in vitro fertilization need high technology and less stressful technologies in order to make a very good home for embryos. So, who need this? Biotech pharma companies, research labs, and IVF clinics need to save their money, their time, and save people's lives as we want to. Our market in the cell biology market, especially in the pharmaceutical field, there is many restrictive rules. There is a new trend in reducing animal testing, and the competition is very hard and based in innovation like our own. To get in this market, we have developed some strategies. Like at the stage, we are making our customer development to discover the unmet needs to our customer and to face the reality. But tomorrow, we will use a certified distributor to do the distribution and maybe a supply chain to maintain our startup lean. Yeah. We are the only one? No, of course not. But existing technologies are not fully integrated. So you have to pass through different devices, and this is stressful for cells and maybe lead to artifacts. Cell Viewer is a gentleman. It's fully integrated, automated, and your cell is in a natural environment, and you have the possibility to change this environment without acting directly to the cell, so gently. Our competitors are represented by Zeiss, or Olympus, Ocolab, Picovitro, and Sphero, both big companies and startups like our own. But we make an all-in-one device, very gentle, and you have the possibility to change the buffer around the cell without acting directly to the cells. And you can add or remove viruses, bacteria, cells, or drugs. So, how we can fight competitors? We are patenting right now. Our technology is based on 3 different technologies, so you require knowledge. And our CEO spent less than 10 years in R&D and giving solution to biomedicine and to apply research. We won several startup competitions, and behind us there are many people, companies, institutions. We have many supporters and many partners for the distribution, for the industrialization. I have no time to discuss of them, but I want to just mention Spinner 2030 because last years give us 3 grants to make all this happen. Our team is very young and interdisciplinary. Our CEO has high knowledge in physics, biology, and electronical engineer. and I spent the last 10 years in applied research. I am a biotech, medical biotechnology, and I set up the experimental protocol. Simone helped Daniele to develop the prototypes and is an excellent biologist. And Federico Zambelli takes care to the customer development. And behind us, there are many people with excellent skills who can accelerate us. So, just a few numbers. Since the beginning, we plan to reach the market, go to the market as soon as possible. And we plan to go to the market in the mid-2015 to reach the break-even point before 2017 and to have 10 million revenues in the 5 years of activity in 2018 with an exit. Our revenues are derived both from the bench laboratory instrument and the disposable parts. And we are looking for, yeah, I'm just kidding. So, skip this. Actually, we need a very small amount of money to continue our R&D line, to go to industrialization phase, to go to the market very soon, and to reach the break-even point. And for be very fast and ready, we are planning to acquire a new CEO with expertise, so we can go to the lab where we belong. So, if you invest in us, what is the return? Actually, we plan an exit in the 50 year of activity in 2080 by an acquisition by a major company like Zeiss, Olympus, or Thermo Fisher Scientific. So you can invest in us. And this is the social return because our business can generate both direct and indirect employment, especially in the local area, our local area, like Mirandola, known for the earthquake 2 years ago, and where there is the third biopark in Europe. And moreover, our products can help the development of new therapies for untreatable disease and in vitro fertilization, reduce the physical and psychological stress for patients. So it's a big social return, maybe more than money. So if you want to invest in us, or you work in a biotech company, or simply want to share ideas, feel free to contact us. And that's all. Thank you for your time.